Imagine, imagine you have an important exam like GRE, SAT, USMLE, TOEFL, or etc. Does it matter which food uh, you should use before the exam? Yes, it's brain boosters. How can we boost our brain activity? By diet. Does it? Is there any relation between recurring memory and diet? Does it is food important before a crucial exam or college quiz? Is there any legal doping as food before an exam? Does it matter how much of it we should use and how much of time we should use it before the exam?
Thinking process in human, uh, there is some part of organ involved in thinking process, and this is thinking mechanism. The most important part of thinking is about brain, and second is about intestine, and third muscle, and fourth is fat tissue. Uh, Visceral signals are essential factor for modulation mental process. Vagal nervous stimulation and intestinal hormone influence cognition and emotion. Leptin and ghrelin have important roles in cognition process. Another thing is about the connection between nervous uh, nerve system as a synapse. Uh, the main important element in synaptic part of brain tissue is omega-3 fatty acid. Stimulate neural plasticity. That this is important part for better nervous system activity. In some research, it's shown to us that exercise um, has an important effect on mental activity. And in some article, it's shown that exercise with omega-3 fatty acid, it's positive effect on mental function. And in other research, it showed that milk consumption with aerobic exercise had positive effect on brain function. If we want point to best foods to boost your brain and memory, first is fatty acid as a omega-3 fatty acid, caffeine, and blueberry because of antioxidant, turmeric because of curcumin, and milk because of choline, egg, and orange due to vitamin C, and nuts such as walnuts. It's because antioxidant, and green tea like L-theanine and dark chocolate. If you have an exam, what diet can positive effect in acute situation? Yes, diet can positive effect on before the exam. 7 to 8 hours before the exam, you can use carbohydrate rich and solid diet with liquid carbohydrate based drink could affect physical and thinking function. 2 hours before the exam, 1 cup of milk plus coffee and eggs and some honey can affect. As a result, the most important element of food that can affect on brain and thinking process is omega-3 fatty acid that it's enriched in fish oil as a fish oil. And the second important, regular exercise, it shows positive effect on exam. And the third important is antioxidants such as blueberry that have positive effect on brain function for examination.